Yeah, good luck getting him to sit still.
Come here, she's taking a picture of you.
The corn just delivered to the corn box. We have hired 2 little kids to come out and get the dust off the corn. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. Only they've disappeared now. I can't find them.
Quiet.
Where did they go? I think they're
Hurry, come here.
side.
Go down the slide on this side.
There she is. There she is! Look at that. Yes, you will be covered in dust, won't you? That's your job. Take the dust home.
Yep.
Yep, that's what we go to the farm for.
Yep.
I'm coming to you guys.
I'm not scared to
You're
get
swimming?
dirty, are ya?
My hand are big.
You guys are goofballs.
I needed
Wyatt, are you
something to wear
gonna-
out today. This is perfect.
Are you going to dig a hole? Maybe you should come bury your brother.
Where do you get the corn from?
Hey, there's Carson, the birthday boy again. How you doing, Carson? Yeah. How's the corn? Corn's good. Corn's good. We're in the corn box here at the Thomasson family farm. Checking out the kids playing there today. Everybody's, oh, and a couple parents. My favorite part. Get in here and play with your kids. Take home a little corn dust. Good for the soul. Hope to see you out here at the Thomasson family farm. Yay! Good job! Good job! We have about 9 tons of whole corn built into this barn. This is the barn where our, what we call our teenage heifers live. Part of our dairy farm that we open up here for October. We have stalls over here. This is where they sleep. All sawdust in it. And this is what we call our kitchen. This is where the cows come up to the stanchion. We feed them grain and hay. They'll eat all of this hay and all of this grain once we're through playing in it. They'll come back to the farm. It's a great recycling here on the farm. Come out and see us, Thomasson Family Farm. And there's my granddaughter, Miss Allie. Do you want to say hi, Allie? What are you doing? Putting your shoes back on after being in the corn? Tell me, do you have corn somewhere every night when you go home?
No.
You have a pile of corn somewhere, don't you? No, none. You get it all out of your shoes before you go home? Sounds great. Allie, did you play soccer today?
Yeah.
Were you awesome?
Yeah, I got the 5 goals.
5 goals. Miss Allison is a soccer maniac. Yes, she is. 5 goals. Grandma didn't get to see her, but maybe we'll videotape them so Grandma can watch. Love you, Allie.
Love you too.
So, Allie, what do we do when we say goodbye? Show me how it goes. I love you too. Thank you, Allie. Bye-bye.